Let us solve a problem using Milne's method. We are given dy by dx equals x square multiplied to 1 plus y. Also the initial condition y of 1 equals 1. We are given y of 1.1 equals 1.233, y of 1.2 equals 1.548, y of 1.3 equals 1.979. We are asked to evaluate y of 1.4 using Milne's method. Since we are given x naught equals 1 and y naught equals 1, which follows from the condition that y of x naught equals y naught, which coincides with the given equation y of 1 equals 1. We have x naught equals 1 and y naught equals 1. From this equation we have x1 equals 1.1 and y1 equals 1.233. From this equation we have x2 equals 1.2 and hence y2 equals 1.548. x3 equals 1.3 and y3 equals 1.979. We have to find out y4, which corresponds to x4 equals 1.4. Since we have dy by dx equals f of xy is the general equation which we wish to solve using Milne's method, here we have f of xy equals x square multiplied to 1 plus y. In this expression of f of xy, when you give x equals x naught and y equals y naught, where x naught is 1 and y naught is 1, we will get f of 1 equals 2, which is represented using f suffix 0, or we can call it as f naught. Similarly, in this expression of f of xy, when you give x equals x1 and y equals y1, where x1 equals 1.1 and y1 equals 1.233, we will get f of x1 y1 equals 2.7019, which can also be notated using f suffix 1. Similarly, in this expression of f of xy, at x equals x2 and y equals y2, we will get f suffix 2 equals 3.6691. f of x3 y3 equals 5.0345, giving x3 equals 1.3 and y3 equals 1.979. From these set of x values, it's clear that since each x value is at 0.1 distance from each other, step size h equals 0.1. We have by Milne's predictor formula y4 equals 1 plus 4h by 3, 2f1 minus f2 plus 2f3. We have computed f1 equals 2.7019, f2 equals 3.6691 and f3 equals 5.0345. Also we have observed h equals 0.1. Giving all these particular values in this formula, we will get y4 equals 2.5738. We are asked to find out y of 1.4. For that purpose, we will first find out f of xy at x equals x4 and y equals y4. We have x4 equals 1.4 and y4 has been evaluated as 2.5738 using predictor formula. We have f of x4 y4, which can be notated using f suffix 4, is obtained as 7.0046. Now we will use the corrector formula in order to correct the predicted value of y4. We have y4 equals y2 plus h by 3 times f2 plus 4f3 plus f4 is the corrector formula. In the corrector formula, we will give h equals 0.1, f2 equals 3.6691, f3 equals 5.0345 and f4 equals 7.0046. Then we will get y4 equals 2.5750 using corrector formula. From this value of y4, again we can compute f suffix 4. That is, in the expression of f of xy, we will give x4 equals 1.4 and y4 equals 2.5750. Thus, we get the updated value of f4 as f of x4 y4 equals 7.007. Using this value of f4, again when you calculate y4 using the same formula, the change now is that f4 will be replaced by the value 7.007 instead of this value. Then we will get y4 equals 2.57513, which is approximately close to 2.5750. Hence we have, by using corrector method or Milne's predictor corrector method, y of 1.4 equals 2.57513.